More than 25 years ago, SNS launched the world's first and finest dipping powder system. There are many imitators, but yet SNS remains the undisputed leader in the dip powder sector. Women everywhere are tired of sacrificing their health for their beauty. With SNS, you no longer need to worry about this dilemma. Signature Nail Systems has over 400 colors to choose from, creating a manicure that feels light and natural on your nails, strong enough to last undamaged for 14 plus days. Our passion and purpose. Beauty and health should never be opposed. True beauty is natural, and true health is beautiful.
I switched to SNS about 6 years ago because it is one of the best dipping powders on the market.
I have been using SNS for about 6 months now and I absolutely love it.
They stay perfectly how they are and I can go about my day and I know that they're not going to chip. I've really never had them chip a single time and that is such a blessing.
It does not compare to any other dip product. This is just amazing. The benefits of it lasts longer, it's stronger. All the other brands, they break, they mess up your nail beds, but not SNS. It has done a fabulous job on my nails.
I've done the gel manicures before, and of course I painted my own nails at home, but they just don't really stay the same. They'll chip within, time washing the dishes or doing anything outside. But with these, they always stay. And so I just love that the most. That's my favorite thing about them.
My mom never gets her nails done, and I brought her with me. She now gets her nails done with me pretty much every single time I come. She loves it.
I'm a dance teacher, and so it's kind of a thing that we all have together. We all kind of come get our nails done here, and we're always showing them off to everybody, and parents are always coming to us, and oh my gosh, what kind of nails do you have? And I love telling them that they're SNS because I love recommending it to everybody. Whenever you go, you want to make sure you look for the SNS logo because this has changed my life. It's the only kind of product that I can use that keeps my nails from not breaking while I'm on the job. This is after having them on for 4 weeks. I still don't have any chips. Love the product.
And the best way to recognize SNS, a lot of salons will say they use dip powder, but there is a huge difference between dip powder and SNS. Be on the lookout for the SNS logo.